Arthritis is often attributed to aging, but in fact, it is very closely related to our lifestyle habits, particularly our diet. Joints are key areas that help our bodies move flexibly thanks to the articular cartilage and synovial fluid present between bones. Articular cartilage acts like a bearing to reduce friction, and synovial fluid acts like a lubricant to enable smooth movement. An important point here is that synovial fluid has a structure that allows substances in the blood to move easily. Therefore, consuming inappropriate food or foods containing chemicals can create toxins, which then travel through the blood into the joints and trigger inflammation. In particular, the combination of protein and carbohydrates, a key component of cartilage, is vital for lubrication. When protease, protein-splitting enzymes, is activated, these important components are lost, causing the cartilage to harden and become easily damaged. Protease, the protein-splitting enzyme, is activated when the pH is acidic. This means that if the joints become acidic, cartilage damage accelerates. So what makes joints acidic? Lack of exercise, consumption of refined foods, and meat consumption are primary examples. Arthritis refers to inflammation in the joint area, but the causes of most types are not yet fully understood. Traumatic arthritis, caused by inflammation from an injury, pyogenic arthritis, caused by inflammation from bacterial infection, and gouty arthritis, caused by inflammation from the buildup of uric acid crystals, are types of arthritis with clear causes. On the other hand, the two main types of arthritis with unclear causes are degenerative arthritis and inflammatory arthritis. Degenerative arthritis occurs due to the degeneration and wear of articular cartilage and mainly appears in the hands, hips, knees, neck, and back. Specifically, osteoarthritis, which is common in the West, falls into this category. Inflammatory arthritis includes juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, lupus, and ankylosing spondylitis. It is important to note that symptoms often improve simply through changes to a healthy diet. Arthritis is not a genetic disease, nor is it an inevitable consequence of aging. The cause of arthritis lies in our environment, specifically in the food we eat. Rheumatoid arthritis is an inflammatory disease that affects the entire body, occurs symmetrically, and causes joint deformities. Interestingly, research indicates that rheumatoid arthritis was almost non-existent before the 1800s. It was rarely found in rural areas of Africa, where diets consisted mainly of grains and vegetables. However, as eating habits became Westernized, arthritis became a common disease. What we must pay attention to here is increased intestinal permeability, also known as leaky gut syndrome. An unhealthy diet creates gaps in the intestinal wall, allowing antigens, foreign proteins, to easily penetrate the blood. Diets high in fat, cholesterol, and animal protein weaken the function of lymphatic tissues responsible for immune response, failing to prevent antigens from passing through the intestinal barrier. Fasting helps reduce intestinal permeability, but arthritis can recur when dairy consumption is resumed. A vegan diet is associated with changes in the gut microbiome of rheumatoid arthritis patients, which is linked to the improvement of arthritis. It is important to reduce animal products and minimize fat intake. Dietary fats cause injuries to the intestines and increase permeability, allowing more antigens to enter the body. Meat is high in uric acid. However, humans do not have the enzymes to break down uric acid like carnivores do. As a result, uric acid can accumulate in the joints and cause problems. A vegan diet also helps in managing uric acid levels. Arthritis is not simply a matter of aging. Our diet and lifestyle habits have a profound impact on joint health. Through a plant-based diet, proper exercise, sufficient rest, and healthy lifestyle habits, we can become free of arthritis.